Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pompano Beach local and long distance movers near me. When you need a local moving company in Pompano Beach, look no further than 3 Movers. Our local crews are ready to provide you with the personal service you want at a comfortable price. Before choosing a moving company for your short distance relocation, make sure you get an estimate from us. If you want an accurate rate quote, get a visual inspection from the best professional movers, 3 Movers. Talk to us about your move. We will come to your home or office and provide you with a detailed, accurate estimate of the cost based on how long it will take our team to complete the work. We will explain the charges and discuss any additional fees your job might incur. Any move that goes more than 50 miles from your current location is a long-distance move. We follow a well-planned moving protocol. Our moving plan contains every detail of the move from start to finish. We know how important your belongings are, and we treat them with care. Our movers are very particular about caring for your belongings. Our movers pay attention to every single item during the move. They handle them with caution and load them into the trucks. Our moving trucks are of the best standards. They are capable of accommodating different sizes of items over long distances. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pompano Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.